In this example, we're going to find the GCF of two numbers. We're going to use the following process. So we're going to be given two numbers, 36 and 90, and our ultimate goal is to find the greatest common factor of 36 and 90. And we're going to go about this by finding all the factors of 36, all the factors of 90, then seeing the factors they have in common, and finally finding the greatest one. So first let's find all the factors of 36. Remember how we do this with factor pairs. So we're going to start with 1 times 36. 2 goes into 36 18 times. Okay. 3 times 12 is 36. Feel free to do this on your calculator. I know these pretty well, so I'm just going through them. 4 times 9 equals 36. Okay. Well, 5 actually doesn't work because it doesn't end in 0 or 5, but you could check on the calculator. Okay. The next number is 6, and 6 times 6 equals 36. And I actually know I don't have to go any further. If I went to 7, these numbers are exactly the same, so this number would be less than 6, so I know I can stop here. So let's list our factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We won't list 6 twice, even though it's twice there. 9, 12, 18, and 36. Okay. Now let's find all the factors of 90. And we actually did this one before. So we had 1 times 90. 2 goes into 90 45 times. 3 times 30 is 90. Again, I'm doing this quickly, but we learned this process. 40 does not go into 90. 90 is not divisible by 40. And you can check this on the calculator. Do 90 divided by 4. Notice we get a remainder. 90 is divisible by 5 because it ends in a 0. I believe it's 18. Let's see. Yes, it is. 5 times 18. Okay. 90 is divisible by 6. It goes in 15 times. Okay. Let's try 7 on the calculator. Okay, 7 doesn't go in because there's a decimal. I'm noticing it's at about 12, so I have to keep going. Okay. I know 8 doesn't work because 4 didn't work, but let's just check. 11.25. And we know 9 times 10 equals 90. And again, I know I'm done here because if I went to 10, I just start getting repeated factors. So our list of factors is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, and 90. It's a lot of factors. So now that we have our lists of all the factors of 36 and all the factors of 90, we want to find their common factors. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Again, you want to be systematic here because you don't want to miss any. I'm going to start, since the 36 list is shorter, I'm going to start with 36. I'm going to look at each number and see if it's also in the list of 90. If so, I'm going to circle it because it's a common factor. So they both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3. 90 does not have 4, so I'm going to skip that one. 6, they both have 6. 9, they both have 9 as a factor. 12, 90 does not have 12. 18, 90 does have 18 as a factor. 36, 90 does not have 36 as a factor. So the circled numbers, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, are all the common factors of 36 and 90. We want to find the greatest common factor of 36 and 90. This is going to be very useful with fractions and simplifying. And notice the biggest number in this list is 18. Okay. Just a warning, it's tempting when you're finding the greatest common factor because it starts with the word greatest. you think you're looking for a number that's larger than 36 and 90. Okay, but notice it's the greatest number of a list, and the numbers will all be at most as big as the smaller number. So you're actually looking for a number smaller than both of the two numbers, even though it starts with the word greatest.